In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create FTP account in GoDaddy. In 2026, the exact path you'll take depends on your hosting plan. Most GoDaddy web hosting plans use cPanel, which supports traditional FTP, while managed WordPress uses a more secure connection type called SFTP. The walkthrough I'm about to show you applies to web hosting with cPanel, and it's ideal when you want to give a developer limited access without sharing your main login. Start by signing into your GoDaddy account and heading to the My Products page. This is where all of your domains and hosting plans are listed in one place, so it's the quickest way to get to your hosting controls. Find the hosting account you want to use and select Manage. That opens your hosting dashboard. If you're managing multiple sites, double check you're in the right account before you continue. That way, the new FTP user will be created exactly where you expect. In the dashboard, look for the Tools section and open FTP Manager. This is the cPanel area dedicated to creating and managing FTP users, so everything related to access lives here. Under Add FTP Account, you'll see a simple form. In the login field, enter a short, clear username, like a role or project label. GoDaddy will form the full FTP username automatically, typically in a format that includes your domain, so you can quickly tell which site the account belongs to. Picking a descriptive name helps you stay organized later, especially if you create more than one account. Next, create a strong password. Use a long, unique passphrase with a mix of characters and avoid anything you've used elsewhere. If a password generator is available, take advantage of it and store the result in a secure password manager so you can share it safely with your developer when needed. When everything looks good, click Create Account. You should see the new user appear in your FTP accounts list almost immediately, confirming it was added successfully. And that's all you need to create an FTP account on GoDaddy cPanel hosting. From here, you can share the FTP username and password with your developer so they can connect using their preferred FTP client. They'll also need your server address, which you can find in your hosting details. If your site is on managed WordPress, remember you'll use SFTP instead. The idea is the same, separate credentials for safer, scoped access, but the connection type is more secure and managed in your WordPress hosting settings. And that's it. You've created a dedicated FTP account the right way, quickly and securely.